My dear friends, very good day to you. I welcome you to today's session. Before going ahead, I just want to start this with one question. Can you please tell me what is the most happening thing today in the entire world? In all walks of our lives? Well, before you answer, let me answer this question. With excitement, with amusement, with energy. That is artificial intelligence and more particularly generative AI, generative artificial intelligence. It is embracing all walks of our lives, whether it is a healthcare professional, a business owner, a banking official, an educator, people working in the fields of mining, aerospace. There is no escape. Each and every person in all walks of lives have to learn artificial intelligence. My dear friends, do you remember computers have come and they stayed here forever? Internet has come, it stayed forever. E-commerce has come, it stayed forever. Similarly, generative AI has come and it is going to stay forever and ever. Whether you like it or not, we have to embrace it. There is no escape. Okay, so AI is excitement. AI is energy. AI is power. It is a great opportunity. It's a great power in your hands. Let me elaborate. Before I proceed further, let me introduce about myself. I am Rama Subbarao Sridhara, also known as SRSRao. I am a postgraduate engineer from IIT Bombay, passed out in the year 1981. Since then onwards, for more than 45 years, I worked in India and also in the Gulf region, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and the UAE. I worked on engineering projects, mostly in the project management team. I got a vast experience of executing tough tasks pertaining to the field of engineering. Over time, I have stepped into artificial intelligence. And apart from that, just I would like to say, my wife Bharati, she taught economics for more than 40 years in many colleges belonging to Bombay University in Mumbai. She has more than 40 years of experience of teaching. Both of us together, we co-founded Prosperity Path to guide people on holistic family financial solutions. While empowering people in the field of finance, in the field of personal finance, we came across this artificial intelligence and we have embraced immediately. Well, I am 68 years young. If I can embrace artificial intelligence, don't you think you can do it much easier, in a much more effective way? No, definitely. Every one of us can. Every one of us can master artificial intelligence. It is a necessity. It is an opportunity. And it gives power to you. It gives strength to you. It opens up vast opportunities for you to lead much better lives. So, okay, we will take up one step at a time. First of all, what is it for? Let us begin with high energy and firm conviction that AI is here for me and AI is going to help me, AI is going to empower me and make me strong. Okay? Not only me, the entire society, the entire globe, the entire, all the institutions will be a better place with the power of artificial intelligence. Can you imagine a world without internet today? Don't you think internet has helped the mankind? Don't you think computers have helped the mankind? Similarly, artificial intelligence is going to help the mankind to lead much, much better lives. Right?